Now that we have a key, we can go and use SCP in a command prompt to copy it to the server. So I've opened a command prompt, and I'm going to use the SCP application to copy it to the server. Now, if you're on Windows, you'll just have to add the exe extension here, and note that this is installed with PuTTY. So if you haven't installed PuTTY, you'll need to do so. If you're in Linux, it'll be the exact same syntax, just without. And the first argument is the file that you want to copy. So this is on this computer. So I'll just go to my downloads folder. And it's this file here. And then you want to put the location where you're copying it to. But in this case, the location you're copying it to is a different server. So put the username of that server, and then the IP address, and then you put a colon and the path where you'll be copying it. I usually copy things to the temp directory, and I'm going to go ahead and rename the key to make it easier to work with once I'm on the server. You'll just have to give your password. And again, this is the IP address of my virtual machine that is running our server for the exercises. Now I've opened up a PuTTY session or an SSH session, so SSH onto the machine. And if you look in the temp directory, you should see the file that we copied up here, geekey.json. Remember, we renamed it. So I'm going to move that into my Tethys home directory. So I'll run clear first and then move temp geekey.json, and I'm going to put that in the home directory.tethys, which is the Tethys home directory. And then I need to change the permissions of the file so that Nginx can access it. Of course, I need super user access to do that. And we'll just take a look at that directory to verify. Excellent. So it's owned by Nginx. Perfect.